How many mites? I don't see any. 0. That's good. Hey everybody, how's it going today? This is a mite wash container I built using a Randy Oliver method. Now, what inspired me to build this? Because everyone has seen one of these, and if you're a beekeeper, you probably own one as well. But there was a day when I forgot where I put this. I had misplaced this, and for the life of me, I couldn't find it. So then I needed a solution, and scouring the internet, this is what I found. So big shout out goes to Randy Oliver, and in this video I'm going to show you how I built this and how you can build one for just about $2. Have a look.
I started by making a trip to McDonald's for the actual mite wash cups. Next, using a 3/4 inch thick stock of lumber, I'm just drilling a 2.5 inch hole into it. Now, using that hole, I am just placing my cup into it, cutting around it, and this gives me the perfect spacing needed for my container. Now comes the fun part. Using a scrap piece of 1/8 inch hardware cloth, I need to press this WD-40 container through it to make an impression into the hardware cloth, and you'll see why. This indentation I just made is what's going to separate the bees from the mites, and you'll see how this comes into play when we start assembling it. To fasten it, I just thought the easiest thing to do was just to use a stapler, and believe it or not, it actually worked. A little tricky to line things up, but once you get a couple staples in there, worked out perfect. I hope you enjoyed this quick little DIY project, and if you're like me and misplace your mite wash jar, now you have a solution. Enjoy!